Hello, today I would like to introduce the Osstem Oral Care Kit, a trusted dental promotional product for dental clinics. As you can see on the slide, the Osstem Oral Care Kit consists of 4 different types of functional toothpaste. The first benefit is treatment-specific functional toothpaste for targeted dental care. Let's look at each toothpaste one by one. First, on the upper left, we have Osstem S, which is designed for tooth sensitivity and dentin hypersensitivity care. Osstem S helps relieve tooth sensitivity by sealing exposed dentinal tubules. As shown in the image, it helps block external stimuli and reduce discomfort from sensitive teeth, making it suitable for patients with tooth sensitivity symptoms. Next, on the upper right, we have Osstem C, developed for caries prevention and cavity prevention. Osstem C contains 1,450 ppm fluoride. As indicated here, the high fluoride formula helps inhibit 99.9% of cavity-causing bacteria, making it suitable for patients who need daily cavity prevention and enamel care. Moving to the lower left, this is Osstem G for gum and periodontal care. Osstem G provides anti-inflammatory and antibacterial effects that help reduce gum inflammation. It also contains 1,000 ppm fluoride, so it can support both gum care and basic cavity prevention. This makes it suitable for patients who need periodontal maintenance or daily gum care. Lastly, on the lower right, we have Osstem 30, which is designed for whitening and aesthetic treatment. Osstem 30 contains up to 3.0% hydrogen peroxide, approved by the MFDS, the Ministry of Food and Drug Safety in Korea. This allows patients to manage whitening care conveniently at home, and it can also be used for maintaining whitening results after in-office whitening procedures. The second benefit is Osstem's popular double-wide toothbrush. The Osstem double-wide toothbrush is designed with an optimized toothbrush head that fits tooth size more effectively. Its wide head provides a larger contact surface, allowing faster and easier cleaning in a single brushing motion. Secondly, the toothbrush features a double bristle structure designed for gentle gum care. The inner hard bristles effectively remove plaque, while the outer soft bristles gently massage the gums for a more comfortable brushing experience. Thirdly, the stepped dual bristle design, combining long fine bristles with short flat bristles, helps improve cleaning efficiency around the gingival margin and interdental areas. Furthermore, approximately 2,200 densely packed bristles provide thorough and gap-free cleaning while maintaining a soft brushing feel. The slim curved case design also improves portability and user convenience, making it highly practical for everyday use. This concludes the introduction of Osstem Oral Care Kit. Thank you for listening.